First question, polymerization in which two or more chemically different monomers take part is called addition, co-polymerization, chain or homopolymerization. So addition polymerization, first of all. In this type of polymerization, the molecules of the same monomer or different monomers add together on a large scale to form a polymer. So here we have two or more chemically different monomers participating in the reaction. So it would be an addition reaction. Co-polymerization is a polymerization reaction in which a mixture of more than one monomeric species is allowed to polymerize to form a copolymer. That means only one type of monomer is required. Chain polymerization. Chain polymerization or chain growth polymerization is a polymerization technique where unsaturated monomer molecule add on to the active site on a growing polymerization at one time. So here also we need only single type of monomer which contain pi bonds. So we can break that pi bond and make a long chain. And for this homopolymerization, it is a polymerization of a single type of monomer to form a homopolymer. Homo means same. So same monomer again. So correct answer is only addition polymerization. Looking towards the next question, that Buna S is a polymer of styrene and 1,3 butadiene polymerizes in the presence of sodium metal and form Buna S rubber. So the monomer unit is Buna S. The monomer unit in Buna S rubber are styrene and 1,3 butadiene. Hence, the correct answer is option A. Looking towards the next question, that nylon is the generic name for all synthetic fiber forming compounds. So fiber formings are polyesters, polymeric amides, polystyrene or polyethylene. So first of all, we know that the nylon is a generic designation for a family of synthetic polymer composed of polyamides. That is a repeating unit linked by the amide links. Nylon is a thermoplastic, silky material that can be melted, processed into fibers, films or shapes. So correct answer is B, that is polymeric amides. Looking towards the next question, Orlon has a unit. So Orlon is prepared by polymerization of vinyl cyanide, that is this CH2 double bond CHCN, which polymerizes to give CH2CHCN, and this N, and there are N number of monomers required. So basically the monomer required or the unit present is vinyl cyanide. So the correct answer is option A. Looking towards the next and the last question, the common acid used in manufacture of rayon and plastic is. So it's very important that ethanoic acid is used in the manufacture of rayons and plastic. So ethanoic acid is there in option B. So the correct answer for this question is option B.